And most of the people are interested in dessert and starters, right? I think Shams is least bother about main meal, right? Yes. Okay. How do
My
you?
brother Shams is more interested in boiled chicken and I think boiled eggs.
Okay. How do you feel when others are late? Let's say you are in a meeting and you are the boss, or maybe you are uh, taking care of something, right? And you are calling Farhan Qadri or other people, and they are not coming on time. How do you personally feel?
Okay.
It's not about them, it's about how do you personally feel.
Okay. So if I would a boss in a meeting and
If I were a boss,
if I were a boss in a meeting, so I will definitely very much
I would definitely
I would definitely,
imaginary.
yeah, I would definitely very angry on them who are late because as a boss I have another works pending to be done, and if the initial work which is been late,
Mhm.
which is happened late, so it will affect it will definitely affect my other work.
Definitely, there will be a cascading effect, right? There will be a lot of bad things will happen afterward.
So to answer your question, I will become very much angry and I
Mm.
don't like this thing and that person.